Dog's Grill. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. This one right here smells. I can smell the sauerkraut on that. Can y'all see that? Dog's Grill. Go in here and check out some hot dogs, some glizzy. Let's check it out. Oh, we got the superstar over there, y'all. Look, superstar.
Now, we was born, we came directly from the hospital to the projects. We from the hood, stop it. And I raised my son like I know where I came from. By the time he was 7 months, he already had some Chinese food, crab sticks with tartar sauce and ketchup, McDonald's French fries, chicken bones, mashed potatoes, grits, honey buns, crunched up potato chips.
Superstar! Got the comedian Aja Bennett, y'all, screening our film tonight. Then we'll be headed back up north. Let's go check out Crazy Dogs. Look, y'all, I'm getting the Chillicothe dogs, and I'm getting the Reuben dog. I'm gonna get 2 of them. I'll probably only be able to eat 1, y'all, but y'all know how I am. Also, all beef dog toasted with Swiss cheese, grilled kraut, topped with pickled spears, and Thousand Island dressing. This is the spot right here, y'all. Come check it out. Real cozy atmosphere. A lot of seating. You guys get really busy during the weekend? Yeah. Nah, I see it. They get busy here. Guys, come early. We're here early. Beat the rush. Oh yeah, y'all. Word is born. We here at the joint. Crazy Dogs Grill. And this is what I got here. I got the chili, y'all. I'm about to make a mess, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Got all that cheese on there. That's a big hot dog. Look at it. Look how big that hot dog is. It's soggy, y'all, from all of this chili and the cheese, but it's good. Good flavor. The bread seems really thick. That's not a normal hot dog bun, is it? That's a big hot dog. What's that, a sausage? Onions, a lot of cheese. It's got like shredded cheese on it. The hot dog, y'all know I love Franks, especially ones with the skin on them. I think they call it sheep casing. These are really big Franks, man. The flavor's really good. The chili tastes good. The chili tastes like really good and homemade, and I taste that beefy chili in there. The sauce is good. The bread is soggy. I don't like my bread soggy when I'm eating a hot dog. I don't mind on White Castle hamburgers, but on a hot dog it's kind of strange. That's one, y'all. Deja's over here. Asia's sitting over here. She's trying to help me though. That's dope. I like that. I don't get much help when I be in the car by myself. Oh, this one right here smells. I can smell the sauerkraut on that. Can y'all see that? Which one is this? This is the Chillicothe dog, right?
That's the Reuben.
Wait a minute, what's the other one? The Chillicothe?
The chili had the Chillicothe.
Oh, the chili was the Chillicothe. This the Reuben.
The sauce.
That's why they call it the Reuben, because of the sauce? Let's check this one. Oh, different bread. The bread is toasted. I can feel it's toasted on this one. And look how big. Does that hot dog look big?
Yeah.
The bread is toasted. Big hot dog. Let's bite into it. Yep, they toasted it after they put the sauerkraut on it. This one's not like the chili. It's not, the bread is not moist. This tastes like a New York hot dog with the sauerkraut, and I don't know what type of sauce that is on it. What is it? See the cheese in there? That look like some type of, what kind of cheese is on the Reuben? Swiss?
Swiss, is that horseradish?
Sauerkraut.
It's sauerkraut and...
That is Swiss cheese. I taste it. It's delicious. All right, y'all. We just wanted to get a quickie from Crazy Dogs. I'm gonna eat the rest of the hotel room. We traveling, y'all. We traveling. Got the comedian over there.
Hi.
All the way from Jersey. We on the road, y'all. It's all about this film, though. Aja wanted to stage the other night. Couldn't find any open mics around here. We could have. We really tried, but we was being lazy. I like the hot dogs. I thought they was really big. I would rather have the hot dogs with the skin on them, you know, the sheep casing, the kind that they have links. Actually, you can link the hot dogs. Link hot dogs? What are they called? She's like, right. No, I don't know. Anyway, it was delicious. It really tastes great. The first one was kind of soggy. Whatever they did made the hot dog bun soggy. I didn't like that. The second one, it seemed like being that they grilled it. It looked like they put the toppings on it, then they grilled it. The cheese was melted. You can see that the sauerkraut actually was grilled. Some of it was brown, like it was grilled in the oven. Anyway, this is my DV, y'all. It's a real short one. Here, Crazy Dogs Grill. See you in the next one. Peace. Like, subscribe, ding, 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 ding. Hit that bell.